Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll simply show you on how you can add custom fields to prospects in snuv.io. So first things first, let's head over to our snuv.io dashboard. From here, you have your tools like leads, finder, and more. You simply want to head over to leads, click on prospects, and inside this page, you then want to look for the prospect list, which is going to be this one. So basically, we have our prospect profiles right here. Unfortunately, I don't have any, but all you have to do is to simply find the settings for your specific profile or prospect profile. From there, you then want to add or navigate through the custom icon. Right after navigating through customs, you then have the ability to click on the add field option. Now, you want to enter a name for your new field. Select the date, data type like the number, date, and more. And then you want to click on save to add the new field. Once again, just look for your prospect profile, click on settings, navigate through custom fields, click on add field, and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.